Is it nice?
No.
You look like very hungry. I'm very thirsty. Is it true?
Yeah, no time to talk.
No time to cook. No time to talk. Wow. Wow, slowly. Your mouth like a ball inside already. See, look at here. See your mouth. Let me see your mouth. Show them your mouth. How big your mouth. Wow. Wow.
Okay.
How's the Milo taste?
I don't know.
What is the taste? All ice
No.
and
Sweet.
sweet.
Yeah.
Ayun. Spaghetti nice?
Yeah.
You want some more?
I want the second helping.
Wow, okay, finish it. Then I will give you some more after that.
I go toilet.
Where are you going?
I go toilet first.
What are you doing in the toilet? I think you enough already of your What happened?
Nothing happened.
I think enough already, the one plate, darling. Later then you take another one plate.
Okay.
Okay? Later you vomit.